Trump speech.
Page 1, line 21 to 29. Here Trump talks about how he is the only one who can make America great again. He also touches on that Obama has been sending America through a crash course while he was president. In reverse to Hillary, Trump uses a negative tone about the things Obama has done. When Hillary speaks, she is appealing with optimism. She uses positive connotation to seem more optimistic. Demagogue rhetoric, he is appealing to the fears of an audience frustrated with their position in society, and he is pointing out who they can blame. He is presenting himself as the only person who can provide a solution. I'm the only one, believe me, I know them all. I'm the only one who knows how to fix it.
Style of language. He uses adjectives to strengthen his key point. He does not talk in a form language, but is language everybody can understand. First, your reserves are totally overexcited. President Obama has weakened our military by weakening your economy. He scribbled use with wasteful spending, massive debt, low growth, and hog trade deficit and open borders.
Page 2, line 2 to line 8. Here Trump talks about Obama has ruined the Middle East with the negotiations. He says that when he becomes president, there will be no such things as a nuclear response in Iran or of the Middle East. He uses demagogue rhetoric again, and under a Trump administration will never ever be allowed to have a such nuclear response. Trump is using hyperbole to highlight Obama's mistakes. He negotiated a distress deal with Iran, and that when he watches them it's them even before the ink was dry.
Page 2, line 24 to 36. Summary. Trump talks about their foreign politics and said that since the end of the Cold War they have not had a clear understanding of their foreign policy goals. He also talks about how they one day got rid of a dictator and the next day left the people to rot. He talks about that America will be great again. It will be a great and reliable ally again, with a new and better foreign policy. Trump is again talking negative about Obama and his politics. He's criticizing America's reliability under Obama's leadership, and he is claiming that he can make America strong and reliable again. With a quote, "To our friends and allies, I say America is gonna be strong again."
Page 3, line 27 to page 4, line 16. Summary. He starts with saying that ISIS is a done deal and that he will get rid of them for good. They will be more unpredictable when they go to war. Then he proceeds to talk about rebuilding the military because its size has been shrinking a lot since 1991, and that he will use whatever is necessary to rebuild the army and make America a superpower again. They are going to be gone. ISIS will be gone if I'm elected president, and they will be gone quickly. They will be gone very, very quickly. Trump is again using demagogue rhetoric. He promises a quick and easy solution to their problems, and he is presenting himself as the only person who has the solution. He also uses repetition. He says several times that America needs to rebuild their military.
Page 4, line 26 to 30. Summary. Here Trump said that America must be great again, make them wealthy again. If they success, we will go into a peaceful and prosperous period. In this segment, Trump does not talk about himself, but as the people of America who need to work together as a nation to make America great again.